Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by inspecting the locked folder visually and in Properties. Look for padlock icon and for any encryption labels in the Details tab. Note whether OneDrive shows a sync lock or whether the system lists BitLocker or EFS. If a third-party app created the lock, identify the app name and version. Confirm whether you are signed in as an administrator on this PC. Also check for a saved recovery key or backup on external media or cloud storage. If BitLocker protected the folder, open Control Panel and choose Manage BitLocker. Enter the 48-digit recovery key or your account credentials to unlock the drive or folder. For EFS encrypted files, import the original certificate and decrypt files using Certificates Manager. For permission-based locks, open Properties, go to Security and choose Advanced. Take ownership and grant full control to your administrator account as needed. Always copy. When a third-party app locked the folder, open that app and use its unlock feature. Follow the master password reset workflow and verify via your registered email address. If no reset works, restore files from a known good backup or run system restore to revert recent changes. Scan the system with antivirus before retrieving data to prevent reinfection. If you cannot locate recovery keys or certificates, contact the software vendor or a professional data recovery service for safe assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.